Hi, welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you something real quick. Have you ever thought about creating a mobile app, but immediately told yourself, that's not for me, I don't know how to code? Because that was exactly my mindset for a long time. I always assumed apps were only for developers, tech experts, or people with huge budgets who could hire teams. But once I started digging deeper into how the app world actually works today, I realized that belief was completely outdated. Right now, the demand for mobile apps is still growing fast. People use apps for everything: fitness, productivity, business tools, lifestyle, hobbies. And many of the apps making money aren't complicated at all. The problem is that most beginners don't know where to start. Even with no-code tools available, people get stuck choosing ideas, building something useful, getting approved on the App Store, or figuring out how to actually make money from an app. That's where Meelo App Empire comes in, and why I wanted to talk about it today. Meelo App Empire is a step-by-step training system designed to teach regular people how to create, publish, and monetize mobile apps without coding, without hiring developers, and without needing a technical background. The focus isn't on becoming a programmer, it's on learning the app business model in a clear and practical way. What I like about this program is that it doesn't just throw theory at you. It walks you through the entire process, starting from understanding how app income works today, all the way to launching real apps on the Apple App Store. You see real examples, real apps, and real results, which makes a huge difference if you're someone who learns by seeing things done, not just explained.
The training is broken down into 14 video modules, and it starts at a true beginner level. You're guided through choosing app ideas that actually make sense, understanding which types of apps tend to perform well, and avoiding the common mistakes that cause beginners to give up early. Instead of guessing, you're shown how to think like an app entrepreneur. One of the biggest highlights is the no-code platform training. You're shown exactly how to build functional apps step by step using drag-and-drop tools. No programming languages, no complex setups. You build real apps that are designed to look professional and work smoothly for users. Then there's the App Store submission process, which is where a lot of people get stuck. Meelo App Empire walks you through creating your Apple developer account, following Apple's guidelines, submitting your app correctly, and even handling rejections if they happen. This alone can save beginners weeks of frustration. The program also goes deep into monetization. You're taught multiple ways apps make money, including subscriptions, in-app purchases, ads, and freemium models. Instead of relying on just downloads, you learn how to maximize revenue per user, which is how real app businesses grow. Marketing and growth are also covered in detail, from App Store optimization to running simple ads and building basic website funnels. The training shows how to actually get people to discover and download your app. And once you have one app working, the system shows how to scale by managing multiple apps and turning them into long-term digital assets. Meelo App Empire is especially suited for beginners, side hustlers, and online creators who want a new income stream without learning how to code. It's not a magic button and it won't do the work for you, but it does remove a lot of the confusion and barriers that stop people from ever getting started.
If you've been looking for a realistic way to enter the app space, build something valuable, and learn a skill that can grow over time, this is one of the most accessible paths I've seen. And since it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee, you can explore the training and decide for yourself if it aligns with your goals without unnecessary pressure. I'll drop the link below so you can check it out for yourself. All right, that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see what you guys create with Meelo App Empire.